KuCoin card review. My honest experience using the crypto credit card for everyday purchases. Imagine paying for coffee or groceries directly with your crypto wallet. That's exactly what the KuCoin card promises: a bridge between your digital assets and everyday spending. I've been using it for a few months now, and here's my honest review. Most people think crypto cards are complicated or limited to tech-savvy users, but the surprising truth is that the KuCoin card feels just like a normal Visa card with a digital twist. You load it using your KuCoin balance, and it automatically converts crypto to fiat at the moment of purchase. I used it across several countries, and the experience was smooth. Transactions were instant, and I didn't face any declines at restaurants, gas stations, or online shops. Plus, there were no hidden currency conversion fees, which was a pleasant surprise. Rewards are another perk. KuCoin offers cash back in crypto on every purchase. The exact rate varies depending on your holdings and membership level. I earned small amounts of UST and CIS with each transaction, which added up faster than expected. The mobile app makes it easy to track spending, reload funds, and even freeze the card if needed. Security is handled well, with two-factor authentication and instant alerts for every purchase. The only drawback I noticed is that some merchants still treat crypto-related cards cautiously, especially in smaller regions. But that's changing fast as digital payments become mainstream. In conclusion, the KuCoin card is a smart way to make your crypto actually usable in daily life. It's simple, rewarding, and surprisingly practical. If you already use KuCoin, this card adds real utility to your crypto. No trading required.